Hi guys, Josh and Mommy here, and our person taking the video, brother. And Josh was a great boy with Mommy when we had to just go to Shaw's and get our kitty cat food for our kitties, and he has just been a great boy as usual. So,
juice.
Oh yeah, and juice.
Unicorns Focus Sense.
So look at what Josh gets. Show everybody up close.
Unicorns Focus Sense. Swirling patterns.
Wow.
Musical. That's what that has. 97.
Okay, can you show them this one right here where your hand is?
They snuck these ones off the custom divorce.
We are not snapping off their horns, Joshua.
Thanks for watching.
Please subscribe. My cute son.